Welcome back to Glitzy Glitter's Nature Studio. Today we'll be taking a look at different types of birds and their feathers. So we've got a whole collection here and we're going to take you through each and every one of them. Okay, so first off, our first bird is with me and it's called the blue jay. As many of you know, blue jays are beautiful birds. They have a white belly, blue feathers with white like highlights at the top. They're so cute, but they make high-pitched noises that are not that cute as they look like. So yeah, that's just one disadvantage about blue jays, but let's just get started. Blue jays are beautiful birds, as I said before, and their scientific name is Cyancida cristata. So this is how close up a blue jay feather looks like. They live in forests.
Let's go a little bit
closer. So they have these little markings, these black markings on their blue feathers, and they usually have white highlights at the top. So that's what tells you it's a blue jay feather. One of my favorites is this one because they also have some black features on them. They have white bellies, as I told you, so that's why they have white highlights on them. And they are omnivores, which means they eat both insects, animals, and seeds and plants. They live in nests, of course, because some birds are different and they can even live underground or in cavities of trees. But apparently this bird lives in nests. And they're found in eastern and the middle part of USA. I think that's all, my dear friends.
The downy woodpecker with me, Glitter. So, this is a downy woodpecker's feather, and they're really unique because of their beautiful pattern that's just circles, I guess. And their scientific name is Dryobatus pubescens. I know it sounds like poop and stuff like that, but it's not. They live in forests and they eat insects. They nest, they kind of have their babies and all that in cavities, and they live all over North America.
Oh, the feathers look so beautiful.
They're black with white spots, and this is something you need to pay attention about the correction. Downy woodpeckers have a red on the top of their head they have a red spot, I could say. And hairy woodpeckers are not like that.
They don't have that. Basically.
That's the difference between a hairy and a downy. Is a tiny one. It's really tiny.
Yeah.
And it's black and white, of course.
This bird is the red-bellied woodpecker. Like the downy woodpecker, they have a red head, but they're called a red-bellied woodpecker because they have a red spot on their belly. So they're very rare, and they I guess they rarely lose their feathers. And their scientific name is Melanopes coriolanus, and they live in forests. And just like the other woodpecker, downy woodpecker, they live in cavities, and they eat insects, and they live in the Middle East of North America. And I guess they also have a part of their belly is red, and the other part is white. They're very beautiful birds. They're majestic. They rarely make any noise, and they have a very long beak. That's what I can say about them. Very long beak. They always like to peck at the suet. We have her in our suet feeder, and I think they're cute birds. I just love them.
So now we move on to the glorious northern cardinal. Nope, they sound weird, but they're a type of cardinal. I mean, they look weird, but they're a type of cardinal. And part of them is they're reddish, brownish,
Like a pearly pink?
pinkish.
Pearly pink?
Almost a pearly pink, but with brown in it a that. They look sometimes but there's one really pretty thing about them.
Mhm.
Their beaks sometimes can be orange.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Look at this one. Their scientific name is Cardinalis cardinalis. And they love to eat seeds. And they live in Western America. They have babies and have their all the nesty things I could say.
Hatchlings and things like that?
Yeah, all of that happen in shrubs.
Oh, like little bushes?
Yes. And northern cardinals live in open woodlands also.
That's cool.
So that's it with the northern cardinals. Majestic.
Beautiful pinky skirt.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you guys had a feathery, fun day. Come back to watch all of our Glitzy Glitters Creative Studio and Glitzy Glitters Nature Studio. Have a great day, everybody.
You won't really know which one's a nature and creative, but we're gonna the description. That's where we're gonna say nature studio.
And we might provide a few links about our favorite birds down in the description box below. So check that out, okay? Bye. Have a great day. Make sure to have some feathery fun.
And go out anywhere, just even in quarantine, just for a little walk. And you might even find some rare birds' feathers all around. And you could
And explore the different types of nature that are in here. And have fun in quarantine. Bye.
be safe.